I said if we never get a chance to be together, go with I. J.Lu love ya. Woman say it's a pity you already have a wife, and me have a one man in my life. Rude boy, it's such a pity. I say it is such a pity you already have your wife, and me have a one man in my life. Rude boy said it's a pity. Hear this. I would have liked one of these mornings to wake up and find your face on a pillow lying right next to mine. I would have got out the party and the smoking and the rum and bust an extra wine, and if we seal up a sun, well, every time me fantasize, me see your lips, me see your eyes. You got finger, do something that leave the rude girl if nah. For you it's just a fling, just another little fling. But for me this is heaven, and the angels them a sing yo. You already have a wife, and me have a one man in my life. Rude boy said it's a pity. Hey, say meet me round the corner, avoid Tishy and Lana. You know the two of them are the biggest informer. Not talking about stress, no come on be the best. Me know say me a win this year contest. It's a pity you already have your wife, and me have a one man. Rude boy said it's a pity. I said it is such a pity.
Let us get the judges' thoughts, starting with Anthony.
Yeah, I don't know if you're trying a tad too hard to sound like Tanya, but I found that a little bit of a distraction. You lost the thread a couple of the times, but I could also see where the rehearsal paid off for you. You put a lot of energy and performance value into that, and it kind of worked.
All right, Elaine.
It worked. It didn't kind of work. You know how I felt? I felt like I was on a smooth sea in a Sunday, and nice music was playing, and just the sun was shining, and it's a pity because, you know, and the flow, and the flow, and the flow. I say life is about a flow, and I think that you carried us on that flow, and you energized the audience. That was the best performance so far. Good job, J.Lu.
Conroy.
Yeah, I liked it. I'm a little torn between both comments because I liked it. I liked how you started. I liked where it was going. But it didn't... I wanted you to make it more of your own than of Tanya Stevens or, you know. So it was just okay.